Good morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's August 18th, 2011, and it's Thursday morning. Well, we've got the 800-pound gorilla moving here today. We've talked about it a few days ago. When the funds start to move, the market's going to move in that direction. It's certainly a risk-off type day today in the entire commodity complex, led by the Dow and the crude oil here this morning. The Dow right now, indexes are down 220 plus points. The crude oil down 260 points. Gold making new all-time highs this morning, over $1,800 an ounce. Some of the concerns is that the countries with the debt crisis are not doing anything about it. We've seen France and Germany meet, and the best they could come up with is that, well, maybe we need to put taxes on trading commodities and trading financials, as actually is what they said. So that is the concern here this morning, and that attitude carrying throughout the entire commodity complex. We had some more economic news out this morning. CPI numbers, the trade was looking for a 0.2% increase. It came in at 0.5%, so a little higher, a little hotter than what they expected. Also, the initial jobless claims was up much greater than what they were expecting. So we've got some negative economic news that kind of throwing more fuel on the fire here this morning. Expect to see pressure in the grains because of that. We also got export sales numbers out this morning. Corn, trade was looking for 600 to 1.25 million tons sold. Came in at a weak 523,000 tons. Pretty poor export numbers, at least for this time of year. The soybeans, 400 to 900, at the low end of range there, 421,000 tons. Wheat is the only commodity that had good sales here. 400 to 700 was the range, came in at 548, kind of in the middle of the range. Some of the other news is yield. We continue to talk about that, but on a daily basis, and if that's the only bullish thing that we can talk about, that news gets old, and it's hard to spin it in a new way on a daily basis. So the enthusiasm for that has disappeared, and it should continue to provide support under the market, as we do have some poor yields out there, and expect that they will and could be downgraded here on next month's report. But we've got some time before that actual report comes out. The other news, weather, the chance of rain throughout the Corn Belt over the next 5-6 days is fairly good. That everybody could get some rain. The problem is how much. Light amounts in some areas that may be a heavy dew type rain, so it may not do us a whole lot of good. But there's chances that if you're in an area where you get a good shower, it certainly will help the crops, and soybean production especially. In South America, there's a freeze possible for Argentina, and could damage the wheat crop there this weekend, something that we're monitoring very closely. So all in all, we should find some support in the corn market. December corn, you look for support around that $7 area here today. Resistance certainly up at the contract highs that we made yesterday. In the livestock trade, cutout values in beef was strong yesterday again. Choice up 162, select up 123. The pork cutout values, however, were unchanged. The action that we're seeing in the livestock futures, dominated by the trade concerns in the financial markets and just the overall economy, is the reason we're seeing some pressure there. We've got some technical support in the October contract cattle around that 1640 area, and of course resistance up at that 121 area. So we're actually this morning very near that support area, so watch how that handles the pressure here today. If we close below that, it certainly looks like there could be some more sell stops being activated here later on. We do have cattle on feed report out this week, tomorrow afternoon at 2 o'clock. The trade looking for an average of on feed at 107.5, placed at 116.9, and marketed at 96.3. So in all three categories, looking for larger numbers and less marketings. So none of those numbers look to be very friendly right now, and that's also weighing on these cattle traders' minds at this point in time. We got some big concerns here on the financial front. That's going to dominate trade here today. Stay in touch with Allendale Research. We'll try to keep you informed on developments as they happen. So you can reach us at 800-262-7538. We wish you a very successful trading day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow morning. Thank you.